Hi everyone, today I want to give you this short talk on the audio test 1. Let's begin. Short talk number 4. First, the speaker thanked all employees for coming to that meeting and she said, once again it was time for them to elect the Employee of the Year and her assistant were passing lot were passing a ballot slip. Then she suggested using one to write down the name of their choice for Employee of the Year and considering someone who they felt had given 110% of him or herself during the past year. Next, she commented, their choice should be someone who was not only a very hard worker but was also someone who was kind, friendly, and helpful. After that, she suggested letting her remind them that the winner would receive $1,000 cash prize and a 1 week vacation for two in the Bahamas. Finally, she said she was ready to take nomination from the floor. Short talk number 5. First, the speaker said good morning and introduced himself to visitors. Then he hoped all of them were wearing comfortable shoes because they would be climbing up and down a great deal and covering a lot of ground during that tour. Next, he commented they would start their work at the main gate of the city, and where they could see the Temple of the Sun, and finish at the main plaza, where they could see the distance behind him. After that, he asked all of them to stay close together as they proceed, and suggested not being worried, and he would give them plenty of time to ask questions and take pictures of their different stops. Finally, he suggested beginning and following him if there were no questions right there. Short talk number 6. First, the speaker said hello and introduced her name and her phone number. Next, she explained she was returning a call from Mr. Max Anderson because she couldn't get his name when he left his message. After that, she commented he wanted to verify her home address, and she said her address was 3647, and then she repeated that was 3647 Delaware Lane. Finally, she suggested calling her after 3 that afternoon if he had any further questions in order to be sure who lane because there was also a Delaware lane that because it was also Delaware Road and the Delaware Circle. Thanks for listening.